So once you select analytics from your partner HQ section, this is the page that will open, right? That's the channel name that I'm using as a dummy. Overview, videos, video monetization, website monetization, and export, right? So as you can see, they divide the analytics for video monetization and website monetization, so you know exactly what's happening with your videos. Are they earning? Are they performing well? And you can also get information on your website, right? So overview, this just gives an overview of the videos you have uploaded and what's happening, right? For example, views, followers, likes, and performance over time. So you can choose the dates, right? At the moment, by default, it's 1 month. And you can see the graph here, and you can change it to date, week, month, hour. It's up to you. And videos breakdown. So just as a dummy, I uploaded one video and it's got 3 views. And country breakdown, I was the one who clicked on whilst I was testing as a dummy, so automatically it says Australia, right? Because I'm in Australia. 3 views in Australia. Domains breakdown, so Dailymotion.com, I watched it through Dailymotion.com twice, and then I embedded the video and watched it once. So that's the info. This is what the information means here. Traffic sources breakdown, again it'll give you the source of the traffic. So 2 views came from Dailymotion.com. And devices breakdown, so I used the desktop Windows, 2 views, and I also used my mobile, which was running on iOS, right? So that's pretty detailed. And audience, as you can see, hover over any country to get detailed information. So at the moment I haven't marketed the video, so no one else has watched it. And at the moment Australia is highlighted in dark blue because I'm located in Australia, and that's why I watched the video from, right? The darker a country is, the higher its view content, right? No one has watched it from any other country, so they are grayed out at the moment, right? As soon as I start getting audience from other countries, all these will become a bit darker blue, right? So that's a bit of detailed information there on how your video is performing. Videos, and then it'll show you the individual videos, right, that you have uploaded and what's happening with the individual videos. Obviously I don't have much information there at the moment. Video monetization, so this will give you a detailed view of what's happening with each of the videos on a daily basis and how much are you earning, right? So the impressions, the CPM, the estimated revenue on a daily basis. So the 26th of Jan 2018, 25th of Jan, 24th of Jan, revenue this month, revenue last month, and you can choose the months here as well. And that gives you a total of your video monetization earnings, right? It doesn't show individually, it gives you a total for the daily basis. Next is website monetization. Again, very similar to video monetization, it'll give you a total of your estimated revenue based on certain months or days, right? Revenue last month, revenue this month, and you can change the month and year here. And impressions, CPM, estimated revenue, and these are the dates. So very similar to video monetization. And you also have the option to export all these data, right? Overview, information on your videos, and monetization. You can export it and use it in other applications. CSV, right? That's the format that you can export to, and you can choose the dates here and select download. So if I select download here, as you can see, it's downloaded here, and .csv file will open in Excel. If you have Excel on your computer, it will download by default as an Excel file and present all the information. So that's another thing you can do. if you had to export your data and information, say for example you had to present it to someone or send it to someone as information, you don't have to send them your login details or take a print screen and things like that, right? You can export a file in Excel and send that to whoever you want to send it to or present the information to, and you'll be fine. Or even if you need to use it for your, say for example, budget, or if you're making an income statement or something like that, you can export the file, save it, and use it later on as well. So those are some of the options with your analytics, right? You get an overview, which I still think is a bit detailed, right, than I would have expected for just an overview. That's why